I'm going to show you how you can relearn or reprogram an existing or a brand new remote to your OnStart remote start system. Now I know that OnStart is not the latest, greatest, most popular system in the world, but I think that whoever does own one of these systems is going to appreciate me making this video, because it's easy to find information on something that just came out last month. But I think the real value in making videos for people on YouTube is finding people information that they can't find on stuff that's hard to find. That's where I specialize. So here you go. On the OnStart system, before I get involved in telling you how to program the remote, let me tell you a little tidbit of information before we get started. Now, under your hood, you should have a pin switch like this one right here. Okay? So when the hood is up, this will be connected to the module and show it a ground, so that way the car won't remote start while the hood is up. And when the hood is down, it'll open it up so it sees nothing. So it's a safety switch. Okay? Now, in order to program these remote controls, the first thing that it tells you is to open the hood. Now, I know from experience that a lot of installers are very lazy. They don't put in hood switches, and some customers just don't want them. Plain and simple. So first things first is get under your hood and look and see if you actually have this pin switch. Alright, now if you're like most people, you probably don't even have the hood switch. So what you need to do is underneath your dash, you're going to be looking for your remote start module, which is going to look just like this, or something like this. You know, find that the green wire that's in the harness right there, it's like almost in the middle, it's one off centered from the middle. That's the wire that connects to the hood pin switch, or supposed to be connected to the hood pin switch. You have to show this wire a ground signal. Alright, so when I say open the hood, and if you say, well, how can I do it? You know, am I a dumbass? No, it's not because you're a dumbass, because they probably omitted this pin switch. And that's why I'm taking a minute to show you that. Alright, so here we go, man. What you got to do to get these things programmed, open the hood, or ground that green wire like I explained. Within 20 seconds of opening the hood, turn the ignition on and off 4 times. The 4th time, leave the key on. Okay? Then you're supposed to press button 2. This remote does not have 1, 2, and 3, so I can only guess. I'm going to take a wild guess and say that it's the middle. Beep. Now, the system should be flashing the parking lights. Then they're going to turn off and will flash twice. Do that for every remote you have. So I would do it for the first one, go to my second one, learn that one, and you got 2 choices when you're done. Either close the hood or just be patient and wait 30 seconds for it to time out of programming, and this thing should work. So that is how you do the OnStart remote car starter transmitter learning.